I am back in my office. I haven't been in my office in a few weeks, okay? And I gotta go get my hair done, so I'm out here. I got my do-rag on. Me and Miss Tamika here. Say hello. And I just wanted to check in because I haven't done a video in a while. So I said, I'm gonna check in with my people and do a quick video on, just letting y'all know how our week was, Oh my gosh. Dealing with a lot this week. I'm sorry. I'm too close. Right? So I don't even know where to start. I hired a new assistant to help us out with the scheduling. So let me explain to y'all some things about growing and cleaning your cleaning company, right? So I'm growing my business, and a lot of times you guys ask questions like, how do you know when to hire? I know I look crazy. I don't have lashes on or nothing, huh? I know. I gotta go get right, but I don't care. I want the latest video down for y'all. Anyway, so people always ask questions like, how do I know when to hire, an assistant, or, and I feel like you will know. Just like for us, we knew when the workload just was unbearable. Like Monday through Friday, my phone and Miss Tamika's phone rings like crazy. And it's almost, when it started to get to the point where it's nerve-wracking for us to handle all those calls, we gotta hire, man. We gotta hire. So I did a few interviews. I've been interviewing for the last 2 weeks, trying to get people to help us out, because hey, we're growing, so we have to hire somebody for this position. So I hired a virtual assistant to handle all of the calls for us. But now the challenge is that my workers and my clients, they still want to call us directly. They like, the hell with your virtual assistants. I want to talk to you, so I'm going to call y'all directly still. Okay? And that's the big challenge, because it's a disconnect if all of the calls aren't going through my assistant. So sometimes he'll have a chill day. He's like, no, I ain't really get too many calls. Yeah, because they still calling us. So what we decided to do, of course, this week is change the number. So me and my assistant here, we will be changing our number, okay? And that will force everybody to call the business number. So that's just one challenge that we went through this week. Another challenge we went through was, I went to the hospital, okay? My blood pressure was 200. And I never had any problems with blood pressure before, okay? So when the doctor said, your blood pressure is 200, I was like, okay, is that good or bad? What is it supposed to be? He was like, that's horrible. And I'm like, wow. So I wanted to do this video just to tell people, I've been going real hard for the last 5 years. Like crazy. Like grinding like crazy. But it's real important for you to take some time out and work on you. Work on your own health. You know what I'm saying? Because if you don't take care of yourself, you're not going to be able to take care of nobody else, okay? So that's one of the reasons why I don't have my hair done today. I don't even have my lashes on or nothing, because I actually had to go to the hospital when it was time for me to get all dolled up. I couldn't even go. I had to go straight to the emergency room, okay? And then I sat in the emergency room for about 8 hours. No cap. Okay? 8 hours in the emergency room, just for them to give you some pills and send you on your way, honey. But my message to everybody today is take care of you. Take care of yourself. You cannot run no cleaning company if your health is bad. Go to the dentist. Go to all of your doctor's appointments, okay? This was a hard lesson for myself, because while I'm sitting in the hospital, thank God I have systems, so my company is still running while I'm down. and nobody really knows I'm down, so they're still blowing the phone up instead of calling that assistant that I hired. So it can be a little frustrating. A lot, like I take on a lot, you guys, and taking on a lot with my cleaning company, as far as, and with my cleaning company, with my kids, with my relationship, with Tenacity Academy. Like everything all together is one big old gumbo pot, you know, of stuff that I have to take on, and it's not easy. It's not easy, you know what I mean? So it was a lesson to me to just calm down and take care of myself before you can get out there and really start, you know, doing your thing again. So be on the lookout. I'm gonna be doing a lot more videos, you guys. Me and Miss Tamika here, we decided to go on our vegan journey, right? You want to go on a vegan journey or vegetarian?
Vegetarian.
I'm sorry, not vegan, vegetarian. I'm not gonna be no vegetarian though. I'm gonna be a pescatarian because I love seafood. That's what we agreed. She gonna do vegetarian. I'm gonna be a pescatarian. I at least gotta have me some crab legs and some shrimp, y'all. I gotta eat that. Okay. Now, I can't put no season on it. That's gonna be a problem. But we'll figure all that out later on. Okay. I just wanted to check in with you guys, let y'all know. I know I didn't drop any new videos lately, but your girl I've been working on me. Okay, now I'm about to go to the gym and get it in the gym. Okay, so it is what it is. I just checking in on you guys. I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye bye.